Everyone, how to create QR code in Excel. So let's start first. Open your Excel file, and here I'm going to use QR code generator. So go to the File tab and click on the New option, and here you can see your all Excel templates. Just scroll down, and here you see different category of template also available. Just click on the business category, and here in business category, in search box, search here QR code. Okay, and press the enter, and you can see your QR code generator is search. Simply click on it and click on the create, and here you see your QR code generated added in your Excel file. When you scan this QR code, this website will be open, the bing.com. Okay, if you want to change this URL, just click on the cell, and after that in formula bar you can see the website address here showing. Just select the entire address and remove it and add your website address. So I added here the website address one, and after that you can change the style also. I just click on the drop down arrow, and here you can see different style is available. I select the vertical bars, and you can see the changes here on the QR code. Color gradients also you can change. As click on this drop down arrow and select the horizontal. Okay, in background I select here the different color. I select the orange, and you can see the orange color selected. Field color one, I select it, and I select here purple, and see the changes over purple color. Okay, in horizontal gradient I select the different gradient, see the changes. So I select the solid fill. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, now you can easily scan this QR code and quickly open this website. Okay, this is a way you can generate QR code in Excel. So hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.